What are the new conventional loan limits for 2022? When you're getting a loan, we have a certain limit as far as what qualifies for a conventional loan as opposed to jumping up to a jumbo loan. Every year these get analyzed for what the limit is for qualifying for a conventional loan. And it varies across the country and every county. So let's take a look at the limits for Boulder and the surrounding counties. For Boulder, the county limit will be $747,500. For Jefferson County, $684,250. For Weld County, $647,200. Denver, $684,250. And Larimer County, $647,200. Always talk to your lender about your loan. Sometimes the jumbo loan interest rate could be very similar to a conventional loan, so it may not be worth trying to meet the conventional loan limits. So talk to your lender about that. Of course, if you're going to buy a much more expensive home and you want to leverage as much as you can, you may go way over this and actually get a jumbo loan, which is fine as long as you qualify. But if you're close to getting a conventional loan and your loan is just maybe within $50,000 of the conventional loan limit, sometimes it's worth putting the extra cash down to get down to that conventional loan so that your interest rate is lower. Ask your lender to do the math for you to figure out which option is the best for you. And good luck buying in 2022. I'm happy to help in the Boulder area and surrounding counties. If you like this content and want to keep learning more, please subscribe to my channel.